Hi everyone, we are Artech. Today I would like to tell we got something cool for the HPA users. This is the drum magazine, and actually it's combined with several parts. So actually the item itself is come from the ICSC. It's the electric drum magazine, and the suggestion rate of fire is about 15 to 18 and use the 9.6 volt battery installed under this drum magazine. And the Artech offer a connector and also the M4 magazine from the WE, so combine all these items together, so we will have the drum mag for the HPA. So actually the basic, it carry about 3000 rounds BB bullet, and you can insert the BB bullet from these two holes. And the HPA connector will from here, so you can connect with the HPA or the compressor. And they also offer a pressure switch, so when you are firing BB gun, it will constantly offer you the ammunition until it's dry out. So the only thing influence you is the power resource. And of course, we not just sell this custom drum mag, we also think about one situation, that is, if your GBB somehow is not compatible with this drum mag, but you eager to know, have this drum mag and dominate the war game, so we also show this for you. And this is the custom AR15 pistol from the Artech. This is a high-end product, including the forged upper and lower receiver from the 1661 aluminum, and inside the trigger system is already upgraded with the high-end Artech steel trigger parts. And also, the bolt carrier is from the steel bolt carrier and offers the new design magnetic locking MPAS. And also the hobart buckings already upgraded with the maple leaf and also with the titan in the barrel. And this is also compatible with this drum mag, and this is also available. So you have two choices. The first is order this drum mag, or you can order the whole set. Okay, now we want to test this custom drum mag from the Artech dedicated for the HPA and also the AR15 pistol. And it's powered from the air compressor. And now I can turn to the full auto. And due to the ammunition, so I can turn on the switch, so it will offer the ammunition constantly. So think about it, if you have this firepower, they will able to dominate the war game. So if you like this product, please order from the Airsoft Taiwan online shop. And as for me, I want to keep on enjoying this game.